Hey everybody, just want to give you a quick update what's going on. Got some bad news, got some phenomenal news, got some good news, and even better news. So, bad news is I had to close the shop down. We sold our house, which had the shop on it. However, we're building a smaller house, and I'm gonna be building a standalone 1,500 square foot shop, which I'm really excited for, and hopefully I get to share that with everybody. The other good news is we have a new load of wine wood coming in. It just arrived in California and it's on the road now. Should be here next week. So I'm gonna walk out now or drive out now and show everybody where the new shop's gonna be, and hopefully share this whole journey with everybody.